With so many decisions to make in sterile processing, how often do you think about the real effectiveness of your cleaning chemicals? If the product claims enzyme action, is it validated by the manufacturer? Currently, there is no regulation of detergents in the U.S. market, so how can you decide what product is best to use? At Certol, we understand that you cannot test every bottle of detergent, so we test it for you. Every batch of Certol products are quality checked in our on-site lab. We are sterile processing chemical specialists, working to ensure our quality promise to you. Reliable, effective products that meet your goals for patient safety and the bottom line for supply budgets. It all starts at point-of-use care with ProEZ foam to prevent dried soils and biofilm formation. After only 5 to 10 minutes, the 4-enzyme power in ProEZ foam starts soil breakdown. When facing long delays in transport from off-site clinics or overnight procedures like labor and delivery, ProEZ foam will protect instrumentation up to 72 hours. In decontamination, Certol ProEZ AW Quad is tested for reliable multi-enzyme power and minimal foaming, standardized across the department with ProEZ AW Quad in sinks, sonics, and endoscopes. Super concentrated detergents for washers are easier to store and handle. Certol uses lab testing to validate effective cleaning action using only 30 to 60 milliliters of chemical per load. With Certol International, you gain a reliable partner for every step of instrument processing. We are a team focused on delivering the best detergents on the market, constantly developing the solutions for you.